Exaddon CERES system, preparing the printing chamber. Part 1. Assemble chamber. Remove the lid and place on a clean, flat surface. Take the empty bath and place it in the left chamber. It should slide right into place. After the bath is placed, move around gently to make sure the plate is secured. The stage can move around, but the plate should not. Then connect the two metal pieces, making sure the red dots on both align. Which should look like this. Click the box below to left port and select the 15mm bath. Then click Apply. Go to Prepare Printing Chamber, and the first step of assembling the chamber is completed. Part 2. Set up potentiostat. Put 10 ml of the printing solution into the bath. Make sure you don't get any drops of excess printing solution onto the machine. Set the potential. For copper, which we are using, the potential is -0.5 volts. Click Set and look at the current number. Wait for the voltage to be between -400 and -900 microamps. Part 3. Prepare the substrate. An SI wafer covered in 13 nanometers of titanium and 100 nanometers of copper. To prep the substrate, you need acetone, isopropyl alcohol, deionized water, and nitrogen gas. Drop your substrate into the acetone and irritate it a small amount, then let it sit for 1 minute. After that time, drop the wafer in IPA, then, from the IPA, rinse off with DI water. After you take the wafer out, dry it off with nitrogen. Part 4. Loading the substrate. Now that the substrate is prepared, you can load it into the bath. Use your plastic-tipped tweezers to place the substrate in the center of the bath and lock the substrate into the bath using the tool. Now the printing chamber, or chamber 1, is prepared.